Hello, I'm Enchanted Moon, and welcome to my channel. I have a witchy unboxing for you. I got this in the mail today, and it's from Sugar Muses. So I don't know if it's the Sugar Muses Deluxe or the Midnight Muses Deluxe until I open it. And this is for July. Midnight Muses. All right. We have a lot of stuff on top. So the theme for Midnight Muses for July is Pentacle of Protection. And I can see the pentacle on the paper. That is so cool. All right, so we have beautiful Book of Shadows as always. Gorgeous. Oh, I'm gonna get a big one this time as well. And this one is Salt. Pretty. I don't think she's done too many big ones. This is pretty cool. I like it. And it's the shiny thick paper. I'll put those two over there, paper on top. And then we have our Oracle or Tarot card. And we have this pretty picture sticker. It looks like a beautiful little witch. And in here is the back. And this one says Full Moon. Dark lighted magic in the air. Number 30. This is really pretty. I don't think I know what cards these are. So we'll have to find out in the description below. We have blue paper. And when I flip it open, this is what it looks like. Whoops. All right. So we have Pentacle Protection Spell. And it's a cute card. Nice. Ooh. Right on top we have 2 beeswax candles in the dark, like royal blue color. Very nice. And they smell delightful. Then we got a big bag of comfrey. And we got a big bag of nettle leaf. Nettle leaf. Then we have, I don't know how she does this, beautiful, dark blue, but beautiful tide bows. Always like a perfect bow. This looks like a beautiful labradorite to me. For the back. Could be wrong. Could be wrong. I'm trying to sneak in my room. I hope not. Alright, let's see. Oh, definitely labradorite. Very nice. Labradorite is one of my favorite stones. Then we have dark lily ritual salts with comfrey leaf, Enchinacea, jasmine, and essential oils. Pretty. Then we have another big bag. Ambrosia organic black tea. This is a pretty bag. And our throwaway tea bag. Then we have our bubble item. And it is, dark lily ritual oil. I love that label. Very pretty. And the bottle's blue to match. Cool. Oh, my legs. All right, then I'm gonna, we have Circle is the name of our incense sticks. Circle. Ooh, they smell yummy. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, we got a thing on the side here. I'm gonna grab this pretty dark blue long box. Ooh. It is a choker, I believe. An abalone shell, I'm gonna guess. Ooh. Okay, let's do it this way. Yeah, that looks like abalone shell pendant. Isn't that gorgeous? And it's a choker with black satin feel. It feels like black satin, but I know that's not what it is. But very pretty, and you get the choker. That's very nice. And I'm sure there's one more item in here at least. And that's our big item. Let me see what we got. Is that it? Yeah, alright. And then we have our big item. And it is a beautiful altar piece, I would assume, with the 5 candles for the elements. And it's pretty heavy. It's like a pewter, maybe? Not pewter. I don't know. I don't think it's resin. It feels like if you dropped it, it'd break. That is pretty with the gold and the black. It's so pretty. Oh, I love it. That's gonna look nice on my altar. All right, so obviously that's the main piece. Let's see. All right, the contents. Dark lily salt. Oh, boop. Circle incense. Dried comfrey. Dark lily ritual oil. The dried nettle. The hand-rolled beeswax candles, dose. The iron pentacle tea light holder with the candles. The tumbled labradorite gemstone. Ambrosia organic tea. The abalone shell, abalone sea witch choker. The intuitively drawn card, and the pretty black salt art print, pentacle of protection art print. All right, goes over the history, the meaning, the application, invoking the elements. So she enlists all those in here. If you guys want to like freeze frame it, you can to read it. And then this is part 2. And again, it has the beautiful pentacle in it. And it goes over kind of what's in it. So we'll do that. Dark lily sea salts. Endless uses, wonderful for cleansing, charging, scrying mirrors, casting circles, and purification vexed. I like to mix my salt together with my fingers to speak my intentions out loud. You may wish to say, may this salt cleanse the energy of my home, my sacred space, and protect me from all negative energy. Circle incense. Represents the element of air as well as fire. It promotes cleansing and protection. The dried comfrey is a protective herb mainly from theft, for safe travels, and safeguards your home. Dark lily ritual oil. Shake gently before anointing your pulse points. The oils are base notes of amber with lily of the valley fragrant oils used throughout the ages. Can use be for ceremony as a body. You can use this as body oil. You can put this on your magical tools. You can add this to a bath. It is created to this flower is said to promote good luck and happiness. The carrier oil is almond, and it doesn't go into anything else of what else is in here. But I'm sure it's wonderful. Then the dried nettle. Get your energy back and embrace your worth with a strong nettle tea infusion tincture, or add some to dried herbs or your ritual candles by rolling the beeswax candles in the mixture before lighting them. Good idea. Then the dark blue hand rolled beeswax candles helped connect the physical world to the spiritual realm. Place on either side of the pentacle tea light holder, because these were hand rolled with the intentions of promoting psychic abilities, emotional strength, and protection. Oh, they're safe. The tumbled labradorite gemstone, viewed as a power stone. Labradorite is said to allow to see through illusions and determine the actual form of your dreams and goals. It's good for manifestation, scrying, protection, moon magic, divine feminine, really good stuff. Love it. Especially when it has like a purple or a blue flash on them. Love it. Pentacle tea light holder. Placing this in the center of your table or altar. Hand-painted iron plate, both practical and beautiful. Edges hold the tea light safely. Can be used in casting circles, spell work, placing your offerings, crystals, your labradorite stone, and ritual items in the center before lighting the candles. And it has an antiqued two-tone finish. It is gorgeous. And the pentacle protection spells included this month's box. The abalone sea witch choker. Abalone has many uses in witchcraft and has been used since ancient Egyptian times. Wearing an abalone amulet is said to protect the wearer from negative energy. Cleanse and charge your necklace before wearing. Your tea, which just looks beautiful. Can't wait to try it. Obviously, you can drink this before or after rituals. The black salt artwork is designed by Christy. This one also, this gorgeous one, is designed by Christy as well. And then the intuitive drawn is from the Dark Light Oracle. Dark Light Oracle. This guy, Dark Light Oracle. And I believe everything in the box I kind of went over. I absolutely love these boxes. Every month they're beautiful. They blend the colors. I can never say enough. I love her big items, especially in the Midnight Muses this month. I leave the information about this box in the description below, guys. Thank you for watching, and look forward to her Sugar Muses Deluxe coming out for July. Have a great day, guys.